This is an update to the tutorial on fixing Facebook two-factor authentication issues. After reviewing comments, some still face challenges. Follow each step carefully. Link your Facebook account to Instagram. Open Instagram, tap your profile icon, then the three-dot menu. Go to Settings and Privacy, select Account Center, tap on Profiles, click Add Accounts, then select Add Facebook Account. If it doesn't show, click Not You to add other accounts. Click Continue if it's the right one. On Instagram, tap your profile icon, then the three-dot menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Center, Account Settings, Personal Details. Under Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook profile, then select Deactivate Account, click Continue, enter your Facebook password, choose This is temporary, I'll be back, click Continue. In reactivating your account, select Don't Reactivate automatically, click Done, proceed and select Continue. Confirm the deactivation but keep Messenger unselected. Log into Facebook via any browser, search for Facebook Login or type facebook.com. Log in and the option to keep your account safe won't appear. Choose whether to reactivate two-factor authentication.